Good morning, JNA family. If you guys don't know me already, my name is Abby and I got a video today for y'all. So today I'm going to my boyfriend's house and he doesn't know, but I'm gonna do the 24-hour handcuff challenge. So I went to Spencer's, I think. Yeah, because y'all see all that. And I got some handcuffs, just some regular Go handcuffs. They were 16, 20 bucks, 17. And yeah, Spencer's. So I got me some Go handcuffs and I don't know how it's gonna play out. Edit that. I don't know how it's gonna play out. I think I'm just gonna go over there like, hey babe, let's go to the mall. I got some errands to run and stuff. And out of nowhere, I'm just gonna try to, just just slap it onto his wrist. And then yeah, so stay tuned, y'all. Yeah, so I'm on my way to his house. Oh man, I just got this camera and it is so hard to get used to, but I'm driving on my way to my hubby's house and yeah, I just wanted to update y'all. Yeah, so these are the handcuffs. I assume this is the key. They're pretty. So I'm at his house right now. We're about to go in and let's see how I'm gonna try to play this out. Hey, I'm outside.
I'm at the door. Why are you just sitting here?
I always have to be the one that gets arrested.
What are you talking about? You good?
You go there, fine.
What are you talking about?
I know I'm being detained already.
I just came to vlog. I just came to vlog. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Where's
I'm
Nana?
being detained. He's gone.
I just came to vlog. That's it. What detained? What are you talking about?
I'm not being detained.
No. Just came to vlog with you today. Told you I had a couple errands to run.
So where do you want to go?
The mall, Walmart. I got a couple places to go. But first, let's get something to eat. I was going to bring you some food, but...
So is this the part where I get detained?
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. Come
I'm
on.
seeing you put the cuffs in your back pocket.
What cups? You ruined everything. What cups? Those are my keys.
Just go ahead and put it on.
What cups? I don't have any cups. I don't know how you work these. Hold on.
I hope you know that if we get stuck together and we're sleeping at my house, not your house. So I think that you just do some of that.
You sure you want it on that hand? I got the key.
Yeah, this is fine. I'll drive.
You're driving? I don't know how we're gonna get in the car.
You're gonna climb over the seat. Yes.
Okay.
Here we are.
Well,
Yes.
I guess the challenge...
Loosen me up, officer. Loosen me up.
I guess it starts now.
Loosen me up, officer. Loosen me up.
Handcuff.
Loosen me up, officer. Loosen me up, officer.
I can't.
Yeah, we're stuck. We're stuck. Yeah. Yeah, we're
You
stuck.
gotta make it tighter.
That's good right there. Yeah, so.
Look at mine.
Yeah, we'll be here for a couple minutes. If I can record a song.
No.
Could record a song.
No.
Zipper down.
Yo.
Come in.
OMG.
Yes.
This hurts. I don't know how I'm gonna sit here and record the whole day with this hand.
Laptop's dead. Never mind. So are you ready to go?
Why is your laptop dead?
I left it on all night. So are you ready to go?
I gotta use a bathroom.
Oh, yeah. Yes. You just pee right here.
No, I think it's a number 2.
You get in.
It's a number 2.
You get in.
It's a number 2. Where am I supposed to pee at?
Right there on the floor.
The toilet's right here. I can't pee like this.
Do your business. Do your business.
I need you to leave.
How am I supposed to go anywhere? Come on.
So we are handcuffed, and
Are you gonna take the keys out?
oh, get in it. It's in my pocket. So we're gonna try to figure a way.
On delay. Jump over the seat.
I guess I gotta jump over the seat.
On delay.
Ah!
On delay.
How?
I don't know. On delay.
Hold on.
Move your seat back because you're so short.
Can you move that?
Move what?
Hold on.
No. No, I'll hold the camera while you jump. Go. Jump over the seat.
Like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Well,
Still handcuffed. Still handcuffed. Why are you looking like that?
so we made it in the car. Thank Lord.
Come over here.
Ow!
Come
Start
over
it
here.
up. Ow! This hurts. Yeah.
It's too bad.
Ow.
You're gonna have to be up here with me today. You want me to drive with two hands on the steering wheel, right?
No. Drive with one. This hurts.
All of a sudden, you want me to drive with one. One hand on the steering wheel, right? So where's our first destination?
Hey y'all, so we are stopping at Chipotle. Right?
Yeah. Come on.
We came to getting that on my side, I guess.
Can you grab your phone?
You could get it. Your other hand free.
Calm down. Slow down. You slow down, okay? Before I make you get out this way.
It's not. Look, it's gonna come. Ooh. You got it. Come on. You got it. You got a mask, right?
Not on my face, heavy.
Okay. Close the
Come down here
door.
and pull up my pants.
Okay. Close the door. So where are we going?
We're not giving out no free promo.
So where are we going?
We're not giving out any free promos.
Lock the door.
We're already locked together. How do we lock the door?
Y'all, this is really, hold on, really tight on me. Look, I don't know if y'all can see that. So I got it. It's still cuffed though, we're still cuffed. He said no free promos. Yeah. So how do you feel being handcuffed to me?
I'm always handcuffed.
Why you say that?
You know why.
I want a burrito. I don't know how we gonna do this because he gotta go get some food over there.
You getting in this
No.
one? No.
Hell no, it's you, nigga.
Get
You
in,
go.
You
No,
getting in
come
first, bro. You're gonna be the one that tapped out. So you take out, either you take it off. I just got out, so it's your turn. We're gonna take turns. I'll get out at the mall like this. Come on.
Hey y'all, so we just left Chipotle.
At the next lights, turn right.
We ate, we got food, and we went to Best Buy because my camera was like dying. I just got this camera, so I'm trying to figure out how it works. Right, babe?
Yeah.
And we are still handcuffed. Yeah, we're sleeping at my house though. Okay?
Get what they want, and if I can't, they gon' bet on me. No trust, cause if I'm wrong, they gon' tell on me.
2 hours later.
Hey y'all, so we are at the mall. Right, babe? We at the mall?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, we are handcuffed. Still. I've never been here. I've never been here.
Haven't been here in a long time.
There's no people at the mall. GameStop, of course. Yeah. So what you looking for today?
Hey guys.
How you doing? Do you have any like keys for handcuffs?
We do not. No.
Oh, okay.
No, we don't have those in the games here.
Yeah. I'm stuck with her forever.
Well, what do you think we'll find some at?
Stuck with her. You too.
Let's go to Aeropostale. No, I don't want to go here. This is hurting my head.
Too bad.
Let's go to Forever 21.
No, you just said Aeropostale. So.
No, I don't need nothing from here. Forever 21, come on.
You can't keep playing these games, okay?
I'm not playing no game. Why?
This isn't a hot girl
You're a
summer.
hater.
This isn't a hot girl summer.
I'm not.
Yes, we can get you one of these. Yes. Yes. There you are. Copyright. Ooh.
So the hardest part was coming down the escalators for me. Pretty. Hi.
Yeah, we're stuck together, man.
Please?
We're stuck together. Forever.
Yeah.
Keys. Do you have keys?
Oh,
¿Tienes llaves?
yeah.
¿No tienes llaves? Ya, por vida. It's nice. Okay, gracias. You want some jewelry?
No. Yeah, and we're back in Target, regular grocery shopping.
Gonna buy some fruit bars.
Fruit bars.
Some lime fruit bars. Ow. So far, we haven't got any weird looks. I would say a kid got excited and told his mom, like, "Look, Mom," in Spanish. "Look, Mom, they're handcuffed."
Trying to see if anyone in here might have a key. Looks like they might have a key. Hey, my boy. Hey, my boy. You got a key? Cause like she got us stuck. My boy, you got a key? Excuse me. Where do you guys sell keys? Do you think you have a key that fits this?
You got a question.
Oh, someone's mad. Someone's having a bad day. Yeah, so we're gonna go put the steam mop in the car because I'm not gonna be the one tortured having to hold it the whole time.
Duh, 'cause I'm
Yeah.
not.
Yeah, it's either you or the car, cause I wasn't gonna hold
We
it.
were here by the car.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna hold it, so shit. Yeah, go ahead and go to the car.
I can't.
Why not?
'Cause I'm trapped to you.
It's your idea, so go ahead and go to the car. Find a way to go to the car.
You gotta move with me.
Are you guys YouTubers?
Yeah.
That's so cool. What's your name?
Come on, let's go give them our name. We'll come to you right now. Some fans that asked us if we were a YouTuber.
Oh,
I'm just kidding. Hey y'all, do y'all mind if we record y'all?
You guys are handcuffed.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah, man, we on the come
Yeah.
up, so go
Yeah.
ahead and
I just
What's your guys'
subscribe to us.
YouTube?
It's the Jan 8. I'm about to show you
we'll
right
give
now.
it to y'all.
13 million. I'll be like, oh my god.
No,
Oh, no,
we're
no,
coming up. We're still coming up.
All good.
We appreciate y'all. Y'all can subscribe.
Here, take a picture.
He makes music too. He's really good.
40 subs? Gotta start somewhere.
Yeah.
Start somewhere, man.
We only got like one video on there, but I just got this camera, so we'll be posting in a couple of days. Y'all be on.
Yeah, good luck with your challenge. We
Thank
got
you. Really?
We're gonna play football inside.
Still handcuffed to this
Don't
one.
cover the muffle.
Still handcuffed to this one.
Yeah.
Still covered to this one.
Subscribe. Let's get him our.
Hold on, we gotta go back upstairs. We gotta go back
No,
upstairs.
have them come up to us. You guys can come down. Okay. pair of kids that asked us for our channel. I feel special. Yeah, you do all that. So, they asking us, do y'all mind? Do you guys mind if I record you guys?
Yeah. Oh, you guys are handcuffed to the crowd?
Yeah, we're handcuffed. We're still on the come up though. I just got this camera, but we got one video.
Hey.
Turn on your airdrop.
Okay. Okay, it's on. It's fucking right. Oh, sorry.
We're vlogging. We're vlogging. How about it?
Hey, yo, the JNA live. That's fucking right.
Period.
Okay, that's right.
And then he makes music too, so y'all should tap in.
Oh man, we're sending on music.
How much subscribers you got?
40. We're still coming up though.
good.
Like,
That's still pretty good.
That's
Yeah.
good, yeah.
thank you.
You guys will achieve and succeed.
Yes, amen.
Bye.
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 Come on. Aw, so we got love. We're getting love.
I can't rock, man.
Pull this off, you
Oh,
know.
turn it off.
Like
Copyright.
Lil Peep.
Copyright. Turn it off. Turn it
Like
off.
Lil Peep.
Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it. Yeah. So what you want to go? What store you want to go to next? Yeah, I don't know about you, but I gotta go to the bathroom. So I don't know what you gonna do.
No.
I ain't gonna do it like that.
Ew.
You half in, half out. Half in, half out.
They're gonna see
You stay out.
little.
You stay out. You stay
They're
out.
gonna see you.
I'll be peeing while you're outside.
Snakes in here. No.
How you doing? I'm looking to buy a
Let's go
mattress.
to Leon.
What mat are you looking for?
I don't know, just something very comfortable. I have very bad back problems. What's the biggest mattress in the world?
It's for swingers.
Huh?
For swinger.
What is that?
This size, double. You know, it's
Yeah.
for 4 people.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know who
swingers.
Boosie is? He got the big old.
The big old something.
Yeah.
This and this.
I
Yeah,
gotta get
but
one
you
of
know,
these.
it's a special order. It's customized.
Yeah, I gotta get a bigger bed because now she gotta start sleeping with me. You know? Gotta
We're
get a bigger bed.
handcuffed for life.
Costco run.
Yup. We're
Still
going to Costco. Still
Costco.
handcuffed. We've been handcuffed for about how long now? What time did I come to your house?
3 o'clock in the morning.
Yep.
If you wanna come when you a Subaru, you can come when you a Subaru, you know. Only at Costco. When you a Subaru. Can you pull up my pants for me? I'm not thugging in Costco.
What I have to go through on a daily.
Yeah. Get you a girl that gonna pull up your pants.
Look,
Just walk.
let me
Walk.
show y'all.
Oh, look. You've been like this for 24 hours, bro. You need to put it together. 24 hours.
Why is it bent like this?
My God.
You just move. Yes, you
Where's
stay
the
right
heel?
there. Gotta get this soup milk. It's freezing in here. I'm sure some of y'all know this Costco with the dairy, the eggs, and the milk. Come on. That's why I changed my jacket because it's freezing.
They can't hear you. I promise you they can't hear
They
you.
can't hear me?
Hell no.
So, one last thing on our list is what? Oranges, right? Oranges.
Yeah, oranges. Guys, it's 7. Still handcuffed. 7:47. 7:17.
My wrist hurt.
Yeah, wrist hurt. We're about to go eat. About to go get some food for the night.
We're going to a restaurant, so we kind of don't want to bring the camera in. We don't want to make people.
Well, we promise
feel
we're gonna be
uncomfortable.
handcuffed.
Yeah.
Yeah, we promise we're gonna be
We
handcuffed
will.
for the rest of the 24 hours. Gotta sleep like this and everything, right?
Hey y'all, so we just came back from eating, and yes, we are still handcuffed. It was kind of difficult. It was too much going on in there, so we didn't really want to record. It was way too many people and stuff. you know, but we ain't handcuffed. We made it work. We sat next to each other, right, babe? So yeah, it is 10 o'clock at night and I'm tired and he's tired. So we're just about to go to sleep and call it a night, right, babe? Okay. So peace out,
Like and
y'all.
subscribe, comment, share, everything.
Tag our friends.
We got more videos coming
Soon, ASAP, right? Peace out.